eMotion is a mobile and desktop application that allows you to view a stream of photos, videos, and all other types of media picked out specifically for each user. This information is all based on an in-depth survey that users take before the app generates any content. And once it is completed, the user has the choice of sorting between two different options. In short, this app is designed to separate content by type of media, as well as the mood that a viewer would have when watching it. For example, the viewers could choose to see a list of all media, meaning photos, videos, articles, news, movies, music, and anything else that may simply make them happy. Or to be more specific, the content can be sorted by mood and type of media, so that the user is only shown, for example, articles that make them happy. Now, there's many questions that I, as the creator of the app, have been asked and sharing it with others. For example, how does this app differ from every other media-based application in society today? My answer is always that eMotion is truly unique from anything else out there. The difference between eMotion is that it is not a form of social media, rather it is the opposite. It is entirely private, secure, and not influenced by anything else other than what you, the user, want to see. Although social media applications have tried to implement algorithms that produce content that their viewers will like, this is often not the main purpose of the app, such as the Explore page on an app like Instagram. These algorithms can also be altered by the different interactions that one has with other users online. Some people may not even share things on social media that act in their true interests because of the very public nature of social media sharing, and with a private app like eMotion, this would not become an issue. Most importantly, however, eMotion offers every possible type of media that there is in one location and one app. Another question that has been posed to me is, how is eMotion accessible? Since the main goal of eMotion is to ensure that the media content produced is catered towards the needs of each specific user, it also offers a space in the survey to choose whether or not the user has a disability. I can assure that the app meets the WCAG level AA standards and would not run into any issues concerning the ADA, the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990, because eMotion would only offer a user content that they can access. For example, we have audio-only content for anyone with a visual disability, or visual-only content for anyone with a hearing disability. Additionally, how can we be sure that our viewers will like the content that they are being shown as predicted by the app? To be fair, there is no definitive way to determine a person's reaction to media. However, our very in-depth algorithm gets as close as possible. Also, each piece of media that is shown has a thumbs up and thumbs down button next to it, and the content produced is then adjusted to work off of this data. Next, I've been asked if people can put a password on the app, and the answer is yes. Since it is a private app, we offer the option of a password as well as multi-factor authorization depending on how secure someone wants the content to be. eMotion also uses cloud computing. Cloud computing means that a network of remote servers hosted on the internet is used to store, manage, and process data, rather than using a local server or a personal computer. Given the large amount of unstructured data, we need this cloud computing to make the app as fast and convenient as it can be. With the security of cloud computing, users also will not have to worry about their preferences or survey information being accessed elsewhere. Having data accessible in the cloud also helps the creators analyze data much more easily to continue to make the app as accurate as possible. Overall, eMotion has all the aspects that an app needs to be successful in society today. If you want to consume media, you want to use eMotion.